Hi class, I want to go over section 1.1 with you to make sure you understand dependent variable, independent variable, and how to write a formula using functional notation. The problem reads, Mr. Short signed up for a new phone plan to save money on his monthly phone bill. He was paying 52 cents per minute. The new plan only charges 32 cents per minute. This amount includes all fees and taxes. There are no other charges. He has been on the plan for 3 months and is very happy with it. It takes 54 minutes for his phone to charge. What is his monthly phone bill? First of all, you should recognize that there is additional information in the problem, information that we do not need in order to solve it. The question is, what is his monthly phone bill? Something's missing. In order to calculate his monthly phone bill, I need to know the number of minutes used. Therefore, the phone bill depends on the number of minutes used. Once we establish what depends on what, we can identify the dependent variable and the independent variable. The dependent variable is the monthly phone bill because it depends on something. What does it depend on? The number of minutes. Therefore, the number of minutes is the independent variable. We want to write a formula, but before we can write a formula to represent the situation, we have to define our variables. Remember, a variable is a letter that represents a number. You can pick any letter you want. I'm going to start with letter B. I want that B equals the monthly phone bill in dollars. I write the unit that I'm using. And M is the number of minutes. Now that I define my variable, I can write my formula. What depends on what? B, the monthly phone bill, depends on equals. So B equals, what does B equal? Well, they're charged him 32 cents per minute, so 32M. So I can write my formula, B equals 0.32M, include my unit dollars. Now I'm going to take that same formula and write it using functional notation. The only thing I change in my formula is that B. I change that B to B of M. A B of the independent variable. The independent variable goes in the parentheses, that's M. That's notation. So the equation stays the same, it's just that I replace that B with B of M. Now I want to know, what does B of 71 represent? I start with the B, my dependent variable. So B represents the monthly phone bill. The number inside the parentheses represents 71 minutes. So put it together, I know that B of 71 represents Mr. Short's monthly phone bill if he uses the phone for 71 minutes in a month. Now I want to use functional notation to express Mr. Short's phone bill last month if he used the phone for 39 minutes. Notation is just the first part of it. So B of 39 is notation. Then I want to calculate it. I show my substitutions and I put B of 39 is equal to 0.32 times 39. I replace that M in my equation with the number 39 to calculate my answer of $12.48. I hope this helps a little bit explain how we find what in our equation, what is the independent variable and what is the dependent variable, and also how to write a formula using functional notation. If you have questions, please contact me and we can meet one-on-one to go over this again. Thank you.